Hello friends, welcome to STC. Today I'll show you how to remove background noise from your video. So first I'll play this video so you will get to know that it has background. Hello friends, welcome to STC. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Now you just heard the background noise. That background noise could be generated because of internet connection, or maybe power supply you have plugged in to your laptop, or maybe because of if you have fan running in your room, or air noise, some kind of the noise could be there. So to remove that, I am using Format Factory. First I need to extract the audio from this video, so for that I am using Format Factory 3.7.0. so under audio we have mp3 extension. Just click on this, add files. You have to select the video and OK. Click on this start, so it will extract the audio from video. Click on the output folder. Here we have audio extracted from this video. I'll play this audio. Hello friends, welcome to STC. So now we need another software, Audacity. Click on this file, open, and select this intro.mp3 file. Click on this plus to zoom in the track of your audio. So I'll show you what sort of the noise we want to remove from our audio. This part we don't want in our audio, so just select that particular part, click on the effects, noise reduction, get noise profile, then select the track, press Ctrl A means select whole track, again click effects, noise reduction, press OK. Now let's play this. Hello friends, welcome to STC. Now you can see the background noise has been removed. So just click the export audio. Let it have same name, but remember that it has a new intro. Okay, it has .wav extension, and the previous one which we had was a .mp3. Close this, we don't need to save this. So here we have audio of this video without noise, means after noise removed, and this is the with noise. I'll show you. Hello friends, welcome to STC. See, and this one. Hello friends, welcome to STC without noise. So now we have to merge the audio and the video. For that I'm using Camtasia Studio 8. Version 8.6. Import media. Click this intro video and the new audio, edit audio, not the previous one which had noise in it. Open. Click this intro video, drag on the track 1. Click new intro.wav, drag on the second track. So let's play. Hello friends, welcome to STC. Both the audio, one from video and one merely from the audio file. So we don't want the audio from this video because it has noise, background noise. So click on this first track, and click audio and make it silent. Now the audio from this video is silent now, and video will be played from this file and audio will be played from this newly edited file. Hello friends, welcome to STC. Now we have merged the audio and the video. We have to produce the output. Name it my project. It will take a little bit time, depends on how long your video is. So our video wasn't that much long, so it will not take much time. Finish. Hello friends, welcome to STC. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. See, now we have our video without any background noise. So this way, using these three: Audacity, Camtasia Studio and Format Factory, you can remove the noise from your videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch my other videos too, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos.